Hello, gorgeous beings. Ah, joining me for this sunset walk. It's the most gorgeous light today. Can you see it? Sunset. Yeah, it's beautiful to see how the weather has been like full storm and then the sun piercing through, the light piercing through. And yeah, reminded of the Five Rhythms map with chaos and after chaos and utter confusion and full demanding of you have to let go and you have to surrender. Then the light comes in, which it really feels like that. It's like everything needs to be shattered and die in order for the new to be revealed. That probably is already there, but anyway, it's like needs to go through those motions. And I'm excited to bring Reclaim again. And I've just posted that it's going to happen in November. So the 10th to the 12th of November. It's going to happen in this area of Aljezur, in the magical forest, in this gorgeous, gorgeous place. Like, I don't know, itself already to be in that space is super magical. And to be there the whole weekend is going to be the first time. Because last year we did their 1-day workshops for water and air, and this year we're gonna do like 2 nights. So we're gonna stay over there. We're gonna dance the whole day, and then we're gonna stay there, sleeping in the domes or in the gorgeous rooms, with a beautiful group that maybe you're gonna be part of and join us in this journey. And reclaiming has been such a journey already and has shown so many different facets to it, of like, what does it mean to reclaim yourself back? What does it mean to reclaim your power back? And really working with the different elements. And sometimes reclaiming your power back means to pause and lean back and lean in and breathe, and that's it, and do nothing, and just learning to resource yourself and create safety in your body and meet the places where you don't feel safe, and learn to break down and let go, ask for help, ask for support, connect with others. Sometimes reclaiming might mean to really fucking express what you're not happy about. Really letting your wild nature come out and scream and sing and bring your voice out and really say what you're not okay with. Or sometimes you don't know what's there, but it's just there's a lot of energy that just needs to be expressed and needs to know that it's okay to put it back into motion, with sound, with movement, with breath, with you regaining the asset, the access to that wild fire energy that sometimes can come as pleasure, sometimes comes as anger, as frustration, but it's powerful medicine that brings you clarity and alignment inside and direction. Sometimes you need to cry, and sometimes behind all of that actually need to really be in touch with your vulnerability and your emotional side of grief, of sadness, of tenderness, of the inner child and the whispers of the heart, and really be in touch with that, of what's important. Maybe it's more play, maybe it's more listening, maybe it's more quiet, maybe it's being deeply seen and met and simply share and be heard, and daring to have the courage to listen to your own heart and to speak from your own heart. So there's spaciousness, and in that space can come the joy, and the joy that you know that you are welcome, and create enough spaciousness and love in your system and with others that you can open space for listening to what really wants to come. Like what's wanting to be dreamed of, what wants to be followed through, what do you want to call in more, what do you want to say yes to, and really change, like in the cells, this space of possibility that it is possible and it's wanted and it's beautiful on a deep level, not on a makeup level. Like to really go through the place of healing, go through the destruction, go through the wound, go through the pain, the discomfort, but being held in a non-judgmental way where the space itself, I know what it means to die and be reborn and to transform and have space for that process to happen. So I'm looking forward for this new edition of Reclaim now in November in Aljezur in South Portugal, and welcoming you to join me in this beautiful discovery. I'm looking forward to hear from you soon. The super early bird, it ends this next Tuesday, so just a few days for you to say yes, I'm in, and and join. If you have any questions, reach out, and I'm looking forward to hear from you.